Hi there, Tammy from Stampin' Savvy. Thanks for joining me. Today is all about a quick and easy treat holder, just in time for Easter that's right around the corner. Let me show you how to make this. Only need a few things. We're going to need the 3x6 inch gusseted cellophane bags. Some strong adhesive like Fast Fuse or the Tear and Tape would also work. And then either cardstock or designer paper. So what we're going to be using today, this is the Bubbles and Fizz designer paper. This is a freebie reward in the Celebration catalog, which means that for every $50 worth of Stampin' Up! Products that you purchase, you earn a free reward. So this is one of the choices. I'll show you these fun patterns, bright spring colors, and double-sided. So lots to choose from here. And we're going to be using this one right here. Celebration continues until March 31st, so I encourage you to take advantage of it. Okay, let's bring in our Stampin' Trimmer here. I've already cut this down to 8.5 inches long, and now we need to cut it at 3 inches. And actually we're going to cut it just under 3 inches because the bag is 3 inches wide. And we want to give it a little bit of wiggle room and not be too tight. Okay. Whoops, I took it away. Still need to do our scoring. Okay, so this is going to be the top of our bag because we want to have the direction of our hearts be the right way. Okay, so we're going to put it in this way. And you're going to make your first score at 1 inch, another score at 5.5 inches, and your last score line at 7.5 inches. And these numbers will all be on the blog. So we're going to fold this over at the top, and then for the bottom, it's going to get folded up and then folded back. So this is what you create that fits inside of the bag. Okay, so now is when you want to do any stamping. So for instance, on this little bag right here, I've stamped Happy Easter here, and then I stamped this little bunny on the inside. This is from a Paper Pumpkin stamp set from last March, I believe. Love Paper Pumpkin. So now is when I would want to do the stamping on the inside. We're going to go ahead and we're going to do one stamp here that just says Celebrate. And this is from the Amazing You stamp set. Really, really versatile stamp set. Probably one of my favorites. Although it's kind of hard not to like any of them, but let's go ahead and put that there. We'll close this up. And now we're going to go ahead and take one of our bags. And what you're going to want to do here is run a piece of Fast Fuse just along the edge and then fold it back. Okay, just like that. Oops, I got black ink on my fingers here. All this does is it just helps it to lay flat and sit flat so that it's kind of stable. Okay, then we're going to go ahead and open this up. You want to kind of create a flat bottom on it like that. And then we're going to slide your paper in. And then open it up. Just push this down to the bottom. Okay, just like that. Okay, so there's your flap. So your bag ends here. There's your flap. That forms the bottom. So on the back side, your bag comes up to the top of the designer paper there. You just fold in your bag here as it naturally is already creased. Put your Fast Fuse across here. I'll go ahead and do that. Before you close it, obviously you're going to want to do all your filling and such first. And then it just folds over like that. And now it is all ready to give. I've got this cute little panda that I stamped and cut out. This is another celebration item, the Party Pandas. Also one of my favorites. I just love this little set. I'm just going to put a little bit of fast fuse on the back of him. And I'm just going to set him right there in the center just to kind of decorate that. And then we're going to take, these are another celebration item here. Oops, get this little guy to play on his own there. This set of 3 shimmer ribbons is a celebration item. Comes in the Bermuda blue, the Calypso coral, and the basic gray. Real pretty colors. We're going to do an accent of the Bermuda blue right across here. Give it a tie. And it's going to look just like this. Super cute. But it's not just for Easter. I want to show you, this is one that I made that I thought would be really cute for a birthday. This was made with a Painted with Love designer series paper. This is a specialty paper that is gold foiled. Isn't that beautiful? Comes in these 6 different patterns on this side, 6 different foiled patterns. But then if you turn it over, it's got all these really fun patterns on the back side too. This would be beautiful for, you know, birthday, love, anniversary gifts. I mean, you could do so many different things with this one. This idea actually came from the annual catalog on page 68. For the birthday memories suite is these little treat bags right here. That's where I got the idea. So great for party favor bags. So I wanted to share, this is the Miss the Magic designer paper. Look at these really cute mermaids. This glitter paper here, flower pattern, really fun. Look at all these fun unicorns. Wouldn't that be great for a girl's birthday party? And then, not to leave the boys out, look at these really cute patterns. It's got little boys playing dress up, and there's the wizards on this one. And there's another one in here too. That would be really fun. This one's got dragons and the castle and the knights. So again, really cute for a boy's birthday party favor bag as well. The Sweet Soiree paper, absolutely beautiful. Again, this is another specialty paper from the Occasions catalog. And I'll show you, these are just a few pieces I already had cut. But wouldn't this be great for bridal shower or wedding favor bags? Again, you've got this beautiful silver foiling on these floral images, but then they're also double-sided as well. So much versatility that you can get from these treat bags. But for right now, these are getting filled with Easter candy and going to be given away. I hope that you enjoyed seeing how to make these. They are really easy. All of the supplies that I showed you today can be purchased through my online store at stampinsavvy.com. And Wednesday, I hope you'll come back. I have another treat idea for you. This is Treat Week, and I would love to see you then. Until then, thanks for watching.